Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Zacconi Espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the fuse, this one that you see right here, as the machine was not working, and we also replaced a little bit of the wiring that we saw around the machine itself, and that's just to make sure that there's a good electronic connection connected to the new fuse and to the power switch. So yeah, this wire, even you can kind of see that it's already cracking and stuff, so yeah, definitely need to be replaced. Now the machine is being on for quite a bit. We also adjusted the pressure stat to be in since we noticed the pressure of the water being on the higher side, so we adjusted it, and now we're gonna be doing an espresso shot. Unfortunately, the grind that I used was not the right one for this machine, and we didn't get a good shot of espresso coming out of it. But we still got a little bit of crema and a little bit of liquid on that espresso cup, as you can see right here. Now for the steamer, we're going to be testing it out. We wait for the machine to pressurize back in. Okay, and now we're testing the steamer, and as you can see, steams just fine. Excellent pressure coming out of the machine. You don't see it as much since we are basically have the door open, but even that we can still see nice pressure coming out of the steamer one. Beautiful steam. So there you have it, Zacconi baby once again ready to brew. Zacconi baby Luzzo working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.